Welcome to AutoDelightyt, a channel for car enthusiasts, and today I'm going to show you how to use a headlight restoration kit. Today we'll be using this two-step headlight restoration kit by Meguiar's. The one thing that really attracted me about this kit was you didn't require a drill, which most other kits do require. In the description below this video, you'll find a link of where you can purchase this on Amazon. Over the course of your car's lifetime, dirt, grime, and oxidation tend to change your once beautiful transparent headlights to a foggy yellow looking abomination.
But I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
I'm not sure if you can see this good on camera, but there's a lot of haziness closer to the rim of the headlights. And don't mind these are actually scratches that I made. I plan on changing out the headlights pretty soon.
I'm sorry that I fucked up.
Here's the passenger side headlights. The same yellow and fogginess is happening on closer to the outside edges. These headlights do have a bit of scratches on them. I was really not careful with these guys.
And I'm fucked up.
At that point, you can either spend $70 to $100 getting your headlights restored at a detail shop, or you can buy this headlight restoration kit for about $20 to $30 and do it yourself and save yourself a whole bunch of money. When you first open the box comes with your cleaning solution, your headlight coating, and 2 cleaning pads. Before I get started, the first thing I'm going to do is mask off the surrounding areas so I don't mess up the paint around the headlights, just in case the solution or the cleaning solution does get on the paint. Before I forget to tell you, please use blue painter's tape. If you use a tape that's too tacky, you might mess up your paint. So, to be safe, just use blue painter's tape that has the lowest amount of tackiness. That way when you rip it off later, it doesn't destroy anything. As you can tell, I tried to get as much in the groove as possible with the painter's tape. That way I can protect the paint even under the headlight itself. Before I get started using the cleaning solution, I use this wet terry cloth to just wipe over the top of the headlight. Take out some residual dirt and grime right away. I'll thoroughly dry it before using the solution. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. The first thing we're going to do is get one of the cleaning pads and apply about a quarter size dollop of cleaning solution on it. After we apply the quarter size dollop of cleaning solution, we'll use it to scrub the headlight. Per the instructions, it wants us to go ahead and do a back and forth motion, so we'll go ahead and do that. if you ever feel like you ran out of cleaning solution, go ahead and reapply a little bit more. Alright. Make sure you have extra microfiber cloth available and in hand. Once you get done cleaning the headlight, go ahead and wipe the headlight using that microfiber cloth. And then you can check the progress and see how clean your headlight is. After wiping it down, you can tell that it does look a little more hazy. That's just because the cleaning pad is similar to about maybe 800 or 900 grit sandpaper. And you're taking off that layer of dust, grime, and taking out some of that oxidation as well. What you're looking out for is making sure that the headlight has a uniform haziness across the entire surface. For me, I think I'm going to go ahead and do another round of cleaning before I go ahead and use the actual other solution. After I got done with the driver's side, let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Before we move on to the next step, make sure you get your headlight coating and shake it a bit. Make sure you shake it well. After that, we're gonna apply a medium wet coat. It says on the instructions, so we're just gonna apply a decent amount of the spray onto the whole headlight. Make sure we get the whole thing going. After that, we'll let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll apply a second coat. After we apply the second coat, we let it dry and cure for about 24 hours. Within that 24 hours, you don't want to spray water or get any kind of water on the headlight. That might mess with the curing of the coat. Wow, that was actually a lot stronger than I thought it was. So I applied the first coat. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the first coat to the passenger side, and then we'll wait about 5 minutes and then we'll apply the second coat. Make sure we shake well again. This thing actually smells like tire shine. It smells really, really good. Wow. I think I'm hooked on the smell. Alright, now that it's been 5 minutes, we'll go apply the second coating of the headlight coating. Second coating of the headlight coating. I mean, that's what it's called. Alright, anyways. Let's go ahead and make sure again, shake well. And then we'll apply. Whoa! Smells good though. Smells good. After doing 2 coatings of the headlight coating, you're practically done. Again, as a reminder, for the next 24 hours, please do not expose your headlights to any kind of moisture or water. If you do, it might mess up the actual curing process. While it does take 24 hours to cure, or fully cure, that it might distort the even coating that you have on your headlights. But yeah, you're pretty much done. After this, you just remove the tape, and we're done. nice thing about this Meguiar Headlight Restoration Kit is there is 3 different levels. The one I used was the moderate, which is the blue one in the middle. There is a light one if you do have just a very light headlight haze. And there's a severe one if your thing is just cataract galore and refracting light everywhere. So that's the nice thing about this kit, is that again you have 3 different levels on which you can choose from. And again, it's only about 20 bucks, and I can't be happier with the results that came from it. Hey, what's up guys? It's been about 9 hours since I've applied the Headlight Restoration Kit, so here's a quick update of the curing process, and we can even take some night footage. So the Headlight Restoration Kit looks really good. You can see some minor scratching from the actual like cleaning pad, but it's not as visible, only when you look at it in like the shine of the light. But it came out really well. I'm actually really happy with it. I'm pretty sure I can polish it down with some 2000 grit sandpaper and polisher and get rid of those minor scratches, but I'm not really caring too much about these headlights. Alright, here we are gonna take some night footage. Let's go see how it looks like with the headlights brightened. Oops. There we go. And then I'm gonna turn off the garage lights. The headlights are significantly better. Again, with the blast of the lights, you can see some minor scuffing, but it's not as apparent. Again, I'm sure I can just go over with some 2000 grit sandpaper, polish it up, and get rid of those marks. But overall, I'm really happy with that Headlight Restoration Kit. It did take away a lot of the yellowing that was, and the haze that was originally on the headlight. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied, especially only spending 20 bucks on it. Well, anyways, thank you guys for viewing this DIY. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys like the content that's happening on the channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and like this video, and hit that bell button so you will always be notified when I come out with new episodes. Well, you guys have a great night. Peace.